Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to topic 6. In this topic, we're going to see how the follow me tool works. Now, the follow me tool is from the third category over here. It has an entire 3D creation on its own. So let's get into it and see how this works. Now, for the follow me tool, we're going to be needing two things. One, we'll be needing a surface or a plane, and two, we'll be needing an edge or a path. So I'll tell you why I call them both of that. Basically, the edge is called a path because we have a plane, which is the surface, which follows this path. Alright, so let's see how this works. I'll select the path, which is the edge, then I'll select follow me, and I'll be clicking on this portion over here. Now, as you guys can see, I've created a circle and I've created an arc which starts from the center of the circle. So once I select the path, then I select follow me, and then I click on the surface. You'll see that the surface follows this entire portion to give us this kind of a shape. Now we can create a variety of shapes by using different paths and different surfaces and follow me. So for this, I'm going to be creating another circle over here. I'll create a line from the circumference till the center, and then a straight line going upwards, and I'll make a rectangle. So once I've created this rectangle as such, you guys will notice that this rectangle is a perpendicular to this circle. Now, for using this, what we're going to be doing is, I'm going to be making an arc over here like this, and I'm going to be making another arc like this, and we can erase this off. So at the moment, you can see how this curve has been created over here, and we can easily just go and leave this surface as well as this circle. Now I'll select the circle circumference, which will be the path. Now remember, a path is an edge. It's not a surface ever. It's only an edge. And then I can select the follow me tool, and then I can just click on the surface over here. So you guys will notice how this automatically creates into a vase type shape. Now we can create multiple things from your door handles, bed legs. We can create curves where we need them, and a lot of many things. Now to create a simple sphere, what we're going to do is we're going to create a circle. Now I'll take a line from the center all the way in the blue direction upwards as such. Then I'll make sure I create another circle like this, but this time the circle will be standing, so we can change the axis with the arrow keys like this. And once I create this circle, you guys will notice that I have a circle over here on top, and I have the circle down below. So I'll select the circle's circumference of the below one, then select the follow me and click on the circle. The circle is going to now follow along the curve to create a sphere as such. Another great thing that we can do is, if we just half that circle as such, if we just create a circle like this and half it over here by making a line along the half and erase it off, we would be creating a hemisphere. So select the edge, select follow me, and click on the surface. What we get is a hemisphere. So these are easy ways to create curved shapes very easily with follow me itself. The last one I would like you all to do is, you'll have to create a square or a rectangle using the line tool, just 3 random lines. And now I'll create 3 lines along the blue direction at different heights, each one in an increasing fashion, as you can see. The next thing I'm going to do is, I'm just going to join the top points of this lines, so we'll have something like a sloping triangle. Now I'll take the arc tool from here, and I'll just draw a curve as such, making sure that after the first point, the second point is easy to find a pink line, and then double click. This pink line will basically ensure a smooth curve. So always find the pink line to ensure the smooth curve. The next thing that I'm going to do is just erase this portion off as such, erase this as well, and erase this as well. Over here, we'll select a circle and change the axis, making sure that we have a circle which is almost perpendicular to the line that it's created on. And you guys can see how this is created. Now this will be our path, so I'll just triple click on this line. So the path is now selected. Follow me and then click on this surface. So you'll see how the circle follows this entire path to create an inclined pipe. So these are different ways on how you can use follow me to create. So one would be with the standing perpendicular plane. One would be with a line not even joining the path but still creating a surface and a proper object. Third would be a surface intersecting the path. So these are various different things that you can create with follow me. So I'd like you guys to rewind, go through these different objects, finish this topic off properly, and then come on to the next topic. In the next topic, we'll be seeing how to build a basic furniture item with follow me and the use of push-pull and all the commands together. Let's see that. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next topic. All the best.